Hello everyone, Lewis Weber with Behavior Care. In this segment, I'm going to demonstrate how to put your TPS file on your browser bar. It makes it very easy to get to it when entering TPS data online. I'm going to demonstrate it for Google Chrome, and I'm also going to demonstrate it for Microsoft Edge. Pretty similar, but they're a little bit different as those things are. The menu options are in slightly different places. So I'm going to click on my Google Chrome, and here we are showing Charlotte Harbor's TPS, and here's the website that it goes to based on the link that I sent you through Outlook. Okay, so what we need to do very simply is click on these three dots, which brings up a menu here, and what we want to go to is settings. And then what we do is go to appearance right here. And right here you see this little slider. It says show bookmarks bar. So I'm just going to click that right over there. And then voila, all of my bookmarks, which I happen to have already had, I had turned them off for this demo, are there. And we can click it back off and back on, and you can see exactly what it does. Okay. And then I can just X this out because I don't need to be in the appearance, settings, submenu and appearance and so forth. I don't need all that. So just close that. And now for the last step, I'm just going to put my cursor on this little lock symbol, and I'm just going to drag it, and I'm just going to put it right there and let go. And there it is. And if I want to rename it, I can do a right click and I can edit it. And in fact, I'm going to do that. So you can see it says Charlotte Harbor, and we can just name it anything we want. And if I just wanted to call it CH, there it is, and I'm going to save it, and there it is. You can call it whatever you want. It doesn't change the file at all. Now, if you have something on your browser bar from last year, just do a right click and delete, which I'm going to do right now, and that takes it off. That does not change anything about the file itself. It just changes the little link that would get you to it. It doesn't make any change whatsoever, and anything that's on your computer is simply a link to get to it that goes away. So you don't have to worry about deleting any actual files on your computer. Okay, I'm going to close that out now. And you can see now we have Microsoft Edge showing. Again, it's Charlotte Harbor. It looks pretty similar with the way it's set up, but once again, we don't have a favorites bar. So here we're going to go to the settings and more. And let's find the settings down here. We click on that. And it all looks kind of similar, doesn't it? So let's go to appearance. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit. And there it is, show favorites bar. And if you're going to do it, I would just assume you click on always, and there it is. There's the favorites bar. And you can see I already too, for Edge, have some things that I've saved. I'm going to close that out because I don't need that settings display anymore. And now, just like before, I can take that lock symbol, I'm going to drag it down, I'm going to stick it right there. And I can do the same thing I did before. I'm going to right click, which allows me to edit it. And I can change it to whatever I want. I'll just do it the same thing again, CH. And now it's right there. And so now I'm going to close this out. And I'm going to open up Edge once again. Or if you were using Google Chrome, you would open that up. Of course, a bunch of news comes up, but I'm going to click on, because that's default for when this opens up, I'm just going to click on Charlotte Harbor's TPS, and now it goes right to it, which is just what we want. And wherever you were last is where it opens up to. Okay, as always, thank you for clicking on this TPS training. And if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me, lewis.weber@sarasotacountyschools.net. Thank you once again.